Welcome to another amazing 5-minute auto parrying. So, Kunstmanov is playing Smith-Morra gambit. Smith gambit. Quick h4, h5. Okay, got him thinking. Maybe that's useful. If he's going to play that, I'll try and get these light squares somehow. Just f4 here. Okay, so what am I doing? G4 at some point, castle queen side, or just actually knight c4 here. I could just castle this side. I think I could try and use this fractured chord structure. Okay. Actually, can I put a knight on f5 just to try and justify this? Put a knight on f5. So potentially, he's got nice dark squares.
Check.
A4, A5, A6, that sort of thing. Try and weaken this diagonal. I'll just take that pawn, call this bluff. So bishop f4, then b5 and rook e1, that looks good. I'll play bishop f4. Yep, okay. Still play b5 here, that could be useful. Then try and attack that e5 knight, so rook, move my rook. Knight f3, possible. So it's diagonal, so c4, knight c4. Yeah, okay, he's going to start attacking like this. I don't think there's an immediate threat. Just queen d5 if it takes. I'll get mated on h2 probably. Or not. No, I don't think so. He sacks a rook, queen h2. I think I'm coming out. Surely, because I've got a8 to look forward to. If I can come out of this alive. Well.
Checkmate.
Yep. Okay. Let's see what happened then. Technically. So actually, white's doing okay here. maybe not so good. Okay, maybe black's better, apparently.
Check.
I thought it was okay now. Yep, a6 weakening the dark squares. Taking on h6 usually likes that anyway. It's testing black a bit. Okay, is b5 anything better than b5? Oh, that was liked as well. Okay, maybe I played some accurate moves. Ah, f6. Oh, there's rook d1 going for d5. That would have been maybe better. Here, oh, knight takes g4. Not seeing much, am I? So knight takes g4. But now this is okay. I don't think this is working.
Check. Check.
I didn't think this was working.
Check.
Because it's running out of checks.
Check.
Bishop f3. Isn't
Check.
that dangerous? Oh,
Check.
I see. Uses up the h2 square. That's fascinating. So yeah, okay. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.